Hello everybody! Today I am reviewing the Victorinox Swiss Army Hunter. This is the Ranger Grip. It's a really cool looking knife. It's pretty large for a pocket knife, but several cool functions. Right here on the bottom, Phillips head screwdriver, and I think that's an envelope opener. Right up here we have the main cutting blade, I guess. Is it right there, so it's easier to get out. So right here is for like skinning something you catch, a rabbit I guess, or a deer. So right here is just a saw. Right here, a bottle opener. On top there, it's like, I believe that is supposed to be a flathead screwdriver. And same thing over here. I think that's the cut wire. That's a wire cutter, I believe. And yeah, it's the Swiss Army Hunter.